doing and how they're being cared for. So we just come to see whether the hospital is doing the right, it's taking good care of them. Yes, and they have indicated to us the treatments they are giving, and so far they are doing well. They have a heavy patient load. Some of them are in theatre, but others are being attended to in daycare, and others will be released in daycare, but others will go to theatre.
Okay. So how many do you have?
Dr. Inwani is the Deputy Director of Clinical Services, who is on the ground. She has all the details, and I know I can answer. Dr. Inwani, how many patients do you have?
Totally received 67, and we have 22 here in this unit. We have got others in the critical care units, which are based in the main hospital, some in the burns unit, some in the main critical care unit, and we have another burns unit on 4th floor. So they are spread depending on the condition. Yes. Yeah, but the ones we have here are 22. But some with severe burns, like the first patient here, and others with moderate to mild burns. So some of them are actually on their way home. Dr. Chua, where are you? Dr. Chua is the primary doctor who is managing here. So I'll allow you to introduce all the patients quickly.
Yeah, we can start now. This is Jen Jerry. Jen Jerry sustained burns on her face primarily, but she had no inhalational burns. So she has been cleaned, dressed. There's a special dressing that she has, can't clearly see some dressing. She has been discharged to be followed up with the eye clinic and the plastic surgery clinic.
She's trying to go home?
Yeah.
In this condition?
She has been seen by the plastic surgeon. And there's a collagen dressing that has been placed on her face. And normally for that, usually it has to stay there until it peels off on its own. So long as the wounds are not infected, normally the patient can be taken care of as an outpatient and be followed up in clinic. The thing is, usually for some patients that have to be discharged to avoid them getting hospital-acquired infections. Now the patient is stable, the burns are not too severe, it's only on the face, they will be discharged.
Okay.
Also social issues, children at home, the earlier you can get them out of the hospital. Okay. But now also they have to process the discharge. As long as the intakes, they will stay here until it is either they are waived.
Okay.
Baba amewaletea kitu, tutawapangia wale ambao wako 22 hapa. Nataka at least tuwawachie kitu, so that at least because wako na watoto nyumbani na other relatives, wakikuja kuwaona wanaweza ona venye wanasaidika kidogo. So for the 22 who are admitted,
the 22 are here,
yes,
but we have 34 in the
yes. Now let's talk of the 34. So all the 34, tumeshamaliza kuwaona. We will talk with you. Kando, at least every person atapewa 20,000 utawapatia for the 34. So utawacha kwa mkono yako kutoka contribution ya baba. Yeah. Then I will also need a list of those ones that we've given, so that we also don't also give again, because we have to also take care of others. Yeah.
Lucy Jacob. Lucy Jacob has so Lucy Jacob there's a layer that's not even moved. Once from I know
So who's supposed to take care of the medical process? The waiver process.
The one in charge.
She's there.
Dr. Inwan?
$680. 20 each, and it is for their use and the support for the families that are there. As we have a conversation with Dr. here about what the government is doing, because at least the county government is waived the bills for the county hospitals. But this is a facility under the national government. I don't know what commitments they have given you so far.
What we have received in kind support through the Ministry of Health. Therefore, we are yet be meeting the bills through the National Disaster Fund or through the ministry. Yes.
I think you need to take this up with the ministry.
Okay. Yeah. Daktari.
Although hii isiende kwa bills.
Haiendi kwa bills, but it needs to go into safe custody.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yes.
I wanted to find out of the people you received, have we lost any?
Yes, we have
From
lost.
day one?
Yes, we have lost 4.
All the who have passed away were brought here first.
There are some which came through Mama Lucy. Those were the ones with a very high percent of burns, over 90% of burns. Yes.
Fine.
Ongeza